Welcome back and thanks so much for staying with us. It could be the last time that MS Dhoni dons India's colours in front of his home crowd in Ranchi. Expectedly, the city is abuzz to see its favourite son in action against Australia in the third one-day international. A few heroics and Dhoni can well give them and the Indian team a series win. Here's a look.
Ranchi's favourite son is back where it all started. Mahendra Singh Dhoni is back in town. With India already leading Australia 2-0, City expects an encore, and who else their man to do would be. In Ranchi, it has become a ritual of sorts that Dhoni hosts his teammates for a dinner every time India is playing in the city. While the entire city will be glued to Dhoni, his focus will be on the job at hand. So far, the series has been a mixed bag for Dhoni. Half century in the first match and a first ball duck in the next. But behind the stumps, he looks as agile as ever. In fact, more than ever. For the captain to pick Dhoni's brain has done wonders for the team. Latest being the second ODI in Nagpur.
I was thinking about 46th over, but again, I spoke to Rohit, I spoke to MS. Both of them said, might as well just take the game to the last over. Shami and Bumrah, and they get us a few wickets, we'll be right in the game, and exactly what happened. So Rohit's the vice captain, MS has been there for so long, so these guys watch the game very keenly and they understand what's going on and they can read the batter as well.
But when it comes to reading Dhoni's mind, it's a difficult task. To honour the great man, one of the stands named after Dhoni will also be inaugurated, but Dhoni being Dhoni, denied to be part of the event. Ranchi hasn't been a happy hunting ground for Dhoni, who's just 21 runs to show for in the 3 ODIs he has played here. But Dhoni is known to change the existing trend. And what better place and occasion than this, playing for a series win in perhaps his last international match at home.
With that, it's a wrap from me, Chaiti Narula, on this bulletin. For more news and updates, you can log on to indiatoday.in. You can also download the app. Stay tuned.
Thanks for watching the video. For more such news and updates, please like, share and subscribe to India Today. Also check out our other great videos from our channel. We know you will love to.